Welcome to my FirstLight Internet Provider Review, Usage Experience. Links to their plans and services can be found in the description below. FirstLight is a regional internet provider specializing in high-speed fiber optic connectivity for businesses, governments, and residential customers across the northeastern United States. Known for its robust infrastructure and tailored solutions, FirstLight aims to meet the diverse needs of its customer base with reliable and scalable internet services. FirstLight's standout feature is its advanced fiber optic network, delivering symmetrical upload and download speeds ideal for tasks like video conferencing, cloud computing, and data-intensive applications. Residential customers benefit from plans designed for seamless streaming, gaming, and remote work, while businesses have access to enterprise-grade solutions, including dedicated internet, managed services, and disaster recovery options. A key advantage of FirstLight is its focus on reliability and uptime. Their network is built with redundancy and monitored 24/7 to ensure minimal disruptions. This makes it a preferred choice for organizations that rely on consistent connectivity for their operations. Additionally, FirstLight provides scalable solutions, allowing businesses to upgrade their bandwidth as their needs grow. For residential customers, FirstLight offers straightforward pricing without hidden fees. Their plans often include unlimited data, ensuring users can stream, game, and browse without worrying about caps or overage charges. The company's fiber optic technology also ensures low latency, which is essential for online gaming and video calls. Another notable feature is their exceptional customer support. FirstLight takes pride in offering responsive and knowledgeable service, with local representatives who understand the needs of their communities. Businesses can also take advantage of dedicated account management for personalized support. While FirstLight's services are highly reliable, availability is currently limited to specific regions in the northeastern US. If you're outside their coverage area, you may need to explore other providers. In conclusion, FirstLight is an excellent choice for both residential and business customers seeking reliable, high-speed internet powered by fiber technology. Whether you need a stable connection for your household or enterprise-grade solutions for your business, FirstLight delivers quality and dependability. Check the links in the description to explore their offerings and see if they're available in your area.